In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to get your business started, and we're going to build a business together. So let's just get into it. So as you can see, this is exactly the whole business plan we're going to be making. All right, so let's just first get into it. Every single business that exists in this world is either in these three big niches: health, wealth or relationships. अगर तुम्हारे पास पैसे रहते हैं तो तुम wealth में चले जाते, but I believe you don't have that, and I don't think you have any experience with women as well. So we're going to go with the health option right over here. So with health, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर आर मेनी मेनी थिंग्स दैट कैन बी इन हेल्थ, लाइक फिटनेस, मेडिसिन, डिजीजेस, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं. बट लेट्स जस्ट टेक दिस फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल. लेट्स जस्ट चूज फिटनेस. लेट्स जस्ट से यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन फिटनेस, राइट. अभी फिटनेस में भी लेट्स जस्ट से तुम एक पर्सन हो जिसको कैलिस्थेनिक्स बहुत पसंद है. यू जस्ट लव कैलिस्थेनिक्स एंड यू आर ऑब्सेस्ड विथ ऑप्टिमाइजिंग अ डाइट फॉर टेस्टोस्टेरोन. लेट्स जस्ट से दीज आर योर टू मेन interests with fitness. All right, now once you have identified like what sub niche you want to go in and what is your main interest point, then you need to ask yourself a very important question: who do you want to help? Who do you want to help with your business? You cannot help everyone. सबको serve नहीं कर सकते. If you help everybody, you don't help anybody. Remember that. So ask yourself, who do you want to help? Now, if I was in this position wherein I loved calisthenics and I love to optimize my diet for testosterone, I would answer this question with something like, I want to help 16 to 25-year-olds wanting to get big and become healthy. I would help these types of people. So then now you go from no idea to having some idea as to who your customers are or who your target audience is. That is very, very important. Now, once you are in this position, you're either going to be faced with two problems. It's either going to be you're wanting to be in this dream state wherein you actually have high testosterone and you're god at calisthenics, or you already are. Right? It's either you have achieved the things that you wanted to achieve, or you're wanting to achieve that and teach people along the way. So let's just first cover what if you have achieved, what if you have the body, what if you have the testosterone. Well, then you need to choose two things. It's either speaking or writing. All right, choose one of these skills, whatever you like. Choose either speaking or choose either writing. Now, once you have these skills, what I want you to do, if you've picked like speaking, choose YouTube and Instagram to grow. And if you've picked writing, choose Twitter. Now, what I want you to do is post content teaching people about what you have achieved. This is very important. We need to build an audience. Audience एक digital asset होता है. Once you have an audience who like you, you'll be easily able to sell anything to them. That's why influencers make so much more money. That's why influencers ही millionaires बन रहे हैं आजकल. So you need to post content teaching people about what you have achieved. Now, alongside this, let's just say तुम achieve किए ही नहीं हो. Let's just say you're skinny fat, or maybe you're skinny, or maybe you're just fat as hell, and you want to actually build this body. You actually want to build a body and become a god at calisthenics, and maybe you want to have 1000 nanograms ka testosterone level. Well, then if you are not there, you need to first solve problems in your own life. ठीक है, ये एक problem है. This is a problem in your life. You're fat, you don't want to be fat anymore, and you want to become a god at calisthenics. So you solve problems in your own life and you post about your progress plus teaching online. इसका मतलब क्या है कि you sort of track your journey. So एक Instagram पे मैंने एक बच्चा देखा था who's tracking how he's bulking. Right, he's gained so many more followers just because he was posting things on about his journey. All right, so you need to post about your own progress. Let's just say तुम fat हो बहुत and you do like 10 push-ups after like 6 months. That's progress. That's a video you can make about. That you need to document these things and post your teachings online. That way you can actually build an audience of people who are interested in you, and maybe with these two things, whatever you choose, you give yourself some time, you're ultimately going to get away with a product. How? Because अगर तुम enough time दोगे, तुम्हारा audience build होते रहेगा. So let's just say तुम jacked हो एकदम and you give yourself some time, your audience builds, and because you're jacked, you have credibility. But let's just say तुम jacked भी नहीं हो, तुम बहुत trash physique में हो, but you give yourself some time, you build your audience and your physique, and then people look back at your old videos and they see you as a fat or a skinny guy, and now they see you as a calisthenics god. They're going to trust you more, and that way you can make your own product. Now, what is this product? This product is basically something that you're going to help your customers achieve. So you're going to basically help them achieve this with your brand statement. एक brand statement क्या होता है? It's a statement standing for your brand. So ये exactly एक template है. You need to fill in the blanks. So I help dash get dash without dash. सो अगर हम ये एग्जाम्पल ले रहे, लेट्स जस्ट से मैं ये पर्सन हूँ जिसने प्रोडक्ट, मतलब मैंने ऑडियंस बना दिया है, मैं कैलिस्थेनिक्स गॉड हूँ, स्टफ लाइक दैट. My brand statement would be, I help young men get jacked and strong without having to sacrifice their health. That's my brand statement. Alright, एक brand statement जब बन जाता है, it's very very easy to actually make a product because now you have a clear vision कि तुमको किसको help करना है, किस बारे में help करना है, and what are you making them avoid. Because if you remove pain, you create value, and value is, when there is value, there is money. Alright. Now, इसके बाद तुम्हारे पास दो ऑप्शंस आते हैं ऑफ सर्विसेज. इट्स आइदर डन फॉर यू और डन बाय यू. डन फॉर यू मतलब यू डू इट फॉर देम. सो एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दैट वुड बी पर्सनल कोचिंग. तुम एक ऐसा जिम खोल लेते हो जहाँ पे यू टीच कैलिस्थेनिक्स एंड यू पर्सनली कोच दीज पीपल. नाउ ऑब्वियसली डन फॉर यू के लिए तुम बहुत सारा पैसे कमा सकते हो. आई मीन जस्ट इमेजिन, अगर यू हैड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ट्रेन विथ Hamza, wouldn't you pay a shit ton of money for it even if you had it? Alright, so done for you is you do it for them, which I don't recommend. Done by you is what I recommend because it's actually equally valuable, but it's way easier to get started in. Done by you is where you provide information and they just do it themselves. So you can provide one-on-one coaching, a school community, or an info product, any of these things. And honestly, ये सब चीज़ें ना, let's keep it for your future self, because when you release your product, you're going to be way more capable of actually making money than you are right now. So forget about figuring out what service you want to do. Forget about that. Keep that thought for your later future self. अभी पे focus करोगे. This sort of progress, this sort of journey that you take, all right, once you reach this place, once you create your first product, you can create a flywheel. Flywheel मतलब एक चीज़ से तुम नया चीज़ बनाते हो. अगर you sell like a good amount of your info product, like just तुमने कुछ कोर्स बनाया, तुम एकदम बेच रहे हो, now you have knowledge about selling a course, so now you can start an agency helping people scale info products. You see this flywheel जो create हो जाता है, तुम एक product create करने के बाद और एक चीज़ बन जाता है, and this continues on and on and on. That's how you make money. But let's just forget about all of this. This is exactly how to start your own business. I just did it in 7 minutes. So hopefully you like this video. Go and follow this exact process with yourself. Get your business started right after this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Don't sacrifice your future self for the pleasure today. Peace.